Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today in the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 8th, 2020. In this additional, we have extra Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. And as usual, we start first with the easy one, the one with a 1 star. And before I start, I want to count the printed numbers in this Sudoku. We have here 4 plus 3 is 7, plus 3 is 10. This is 14, 16, 19, 21, 24, 27. 27 printed digits in this Sudoku. The 1 star Sudoku. Yes. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number shall I pick? Well, the number should be the number yeah, let me start with the 4. All right, 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4, here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in that box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 3 empty boxes left in this big square. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 boxes left now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 box left in this big square for the number 9. Alright, now 3 missing numbers in this first column. The numbers are the 2, the 3, and the 6. We see here 3 in this big square, so no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 and the 6 are left in this column. The first column, we see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Alright, and now let me see. 3 missing numbers in this row. The missing numbers are the 4, the 5, and the 9. Look, we have a 5 in this column, so no 5 there. Here 5, no 5 there. The only place for the 5 should be there. The 4 and the 9 are left. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. The 4 goes there. Then, me see. Yes, in this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. We see here a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here we have a 9, so no 9 in this box. Here also a 9, so no 9 in that box. One box left for the 9, should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the third column, so the second column, the column between, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this row, 9 in that row. So in the middle row, the only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about the 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers 2 and 8. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 3 numbers left in this big square. Those numbers are the 5, the 1, and the 6. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be there. The 1 and the 6 are left. I cannot fill this yet, need to wait. 1 and 6, that means in the second column. One box left should be the number 8. Then we go to the number 1 in the first row, a 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only two places for the 1, here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. How about this column? 3 missing numbers now. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, so no 8 in this big square, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this column, the 3 and the 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 8, here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Well. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 1 and the 7. We see now a 7 there, so no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only two places for the 1, here or there. We have a 1 now there, so no 1 here, 1 should be there. And then yeah, let me think. Yeah. 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 4 should be there. These two numbers in the last row, I cannot fill this yet. Those numbers are the 5 and the 3. That means 1 box left in this big square. For the 2 numbers left in this big square, the 2 and the 5. We have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 there, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be at a 5. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 3. Then 1, 2, the 3 is missing, the 6 is missing in this row, and the 5 is missing. No, I cannot fill this yet. 5, yes, this column, 3 missing numbers. 1 of the missing number is the 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. Here 5 in this big square, no 5 there. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. Then 6. How about the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 9 is missing in this column. We see here the 7 and the 6. So no 7 and a 6 in this box. 1 number left should be the 9. These two goes the number 7 and the 6. 4 and the 5. Yes, the second row, 2 numbers left. The second row for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 6. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 3. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 7 and 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 3, and the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 9 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Alright. Great Sudoku. Great Sudoku. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku in this additional. So see you later, and bye bye for now.